Greetings fellow foodies. On this video, we want to represent to you our top choice of restaurants to go to while in Bern, Switzerland. And here is our disclaimer. Our recommendations are based on price, taste, originality, hygiene, restaurant environment, hospitality, food presentation, and family friendly. The videos will have pictures of food and restaurant, in hope that you can sense the ambience within and decide which one is the most well suited for you and your loved ones. Some of the pictures presented are solely for reference, and some of the pictures are from the restaurant profiles and specifications. The pictures are presented in an easy layout in hope to give better information for the viewers and future potential visitors. Are you new to this channel? We would like to greet you welcome. And if you are a regular subscriber, we would like to greet you welcome back. Please make sure to like and subscribe to this channel and give us a big thumbs up. And make sure to check our other video reference on the link above. Now without further ado, our number one choice of top restaurant to visit in Bern, Switzerland will be number 1, Kornhaus Keller. Try the veal rib and the truffle risotto. Number 2, Restaurant Suder. Try the veal with mushroom and prawn, and try the sorbet. Number 3, Casanova. Get the 5-course tasting menu. Number 4, Meal Sense. Get the set menu with wine pairing. Number 5, Wait and Sane. This is a restaurant located in a wine cellar. Try the chef recommendation 7-course dish. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video as much as we have enjoyed making it. Please check out as well our other video and our Instagram JazzyFeast. Until next time, bye!